Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can add Favicon on Shopify. First, make sure your Shopify is logged in and you are on your admin page. Now first, what is Favicon? Favicon is a small icon that lets you identify which website you are in. My default Favicon for my store is the usual one, the globe one, but a good example is the one we have for Shopify here. It has its little favicon that shows it's on Shopify. So now let's move on and let's add our very own favicon. So from your left panel, click Online Store. Now from Themes page, click on Customize. From here on your left, click on the theme settings, the brush icon, and then click on Logo. Down here is our favicon image. Now go ahead and select image. Now you can upload or you can use free images out here, but for me, I'll be using this one and then just click on it and click select down here. Just a reminder that the picture that you're going to use is going to be scaled down to 32 by 32. And if you're good with that, go ahead and click save up here on your right corner. All right, now let's test it out and refresh our page. So as you can see here, our logo has been changed. And that's how easy it is to add a favicon on your Shopify.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.